Strawberry Land is ruined. I'm extremely going to miss every single adventure we had in that land. Well, thanks for fruit-filled fun with us. You broke my heart so sad. Goodbye forever. I think. Ai.